everyone, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to our video on ChatGPT. Today in this video, we are going to discuss all about ChatGPT and also in this video, we will be discussing what exactly ChatGPT is and some basics about it, and then later on we will be moving on to the detailing part of ChatGPT. So, welcome to our video on ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we are going to explore what ChatGPT is, how it works, and the many ways it's being used to improve the ways we interact with technology. We'll take a look at its applications from chatbots to automated writing and explaining how it's being used to make our life easier. We'll also develop into the training process, discussing how the model is trained and what data is used. We'll explore its limitations and share tips and tricks for getting the most out of it. Additionally, we'll be comparing ChatGPT with other similar models such as GPT-2 and BERT. And also we'll discuss the future development in this field. So whether you are a developer, researchers, or just curious about AI, this video is for you. Let's get started. ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. It is built on top OpenAI's GPT-3 family of large language models and is used as an approach to transfer learning with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. ChatGPT was launched as a prototype on November 30th, 2022, and quickly generated attention for its detailed responses and articulate answers across many domains of knowledge. OpenAI's ChatGPT can answer many complicated questions, write stories, explain concepts, write codes, and even explain the codes. Giving it the right prompt can even tell you how to do bad things. Don't worry, we are not going to discuss anything scary here. As the ChatGPT is new, people are asking a huge amount of ChatGPT questions. So we decided to help you out with the most commonly asked ChatGPT question and answers. Starting up with the first question. The first question, which is very common in everybody's mind, is what is ChatGPT? So answering this question, I would like to say ChatGPT is an AI-powered tool that allows you to communicate with chatbots in a human-like way, as we do, and has many other features. The chatbot can answer almost any questions and can help you to do anything from writing email, essays, music, poems, blog, movie script, code, etc. The next question, what is being asked, is how ChatGPT works. To answer in a basic way, it's based on GPT 3.5 technology, which uses deep learning to create human-like conversations and understand natural language. OpenAI used reinforcement learning from human feedback, which is RLHF, to help it learn its language model. Thanks to human AI trainers, it could engage in conversations with humans and virtual assistants. This allows to learn from real-life interactions. Now, the most important question is, as we are into digital marketing domain, lot of our students and our clients ask us how ChatGPT is used in digital marketing. So answering this, the first is ChatGPT can be used in digital marketing to help in providing a kind of automated customer service. ChatGPT can be used to quickly respond to customers' inquiries and provide automated customer service. This can help cut down on customer service cost, as well as we provide customer with a more efficient and timely response. The second thing why we should use ChatGPT or how ChatGPT is used in digital marketing is for the lead generation. ChatGPT can be used to engage customers and generate leads. By providing customer with automated answer to their questions and engaging them in conversations, businesses can gain more leads and increase their conversation rate. Third is content generation. For digital marketing, the most important aspects is content generation, and here ChatGPT helps you a lot. ChatGPT can be used to generate contents that is tailored to customers' interest. This can help businesses create content that is more engaging and tailored to their targeting audiences. Also, ChatGPT helps in digital marketing for data analysis. ChatGPT can be used to analyze customers' data and gain insights into customer behavior. This can help business better understand their customers and create more efficient marketing campaigns that are tailored to their targeting audiences. So, yes, these are the best techniques, or these are the ways through which you can use the ChatGPT for your digital marketing needs. In this video, I just have given you a basic information about ChatGPT. In my later videos, we will be going deep into ChatGPT process, and we'll also be helping you how you can create your account on ChatGPT and can use the best benefits of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. For further more informations, please follow our channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.